That's the word that gets you.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's why it's important to stop.
That's my trip-up word.
Because this word that's coming up, you know you need a whole...
I know you need a run-up. You need a 15-minute run-up for it.
That's it. Ole aso le ngi. Ole aso wa whaangangana ina ai mā kou rea kua sofu.
Let's go.
So I'm that generation, I think we all are, that we lost our culture then. So I'm here to connect.
Give back to my parents and to my kids.
I'm sick of being that makai that sits there and giggles and smiles and I don't know what to say back. Well, it's hard to learn when you don't understand what you're listening to. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this course.
So that's why we say, they've turned their hands in labour to produce this. Take a plate of food.
When
they sent money back home to your grandparents wrote to them and said, Manguia Oemalafana, you are the whamangianga, you are the blessing.
But do this for them. That's why we say, you are the bird. Okay, you're going to come up here and you're going to give it your best shot.
Whakataile Gil.
Yep.
Whakaile whāroa.
O lea, ua mā ea, ona tāpena, te laulau.
O le Aotearoa tala le teo whaatupu ma le teo whaatamali'i.
Nice. Okay, everyone in here has a whaarupepa on a reference of their own village. But I can't stand here, American, I'll stand there and go through 52 whanupengas. All we need to do is to pay your Samoa and we cover all of you guys. Is that cool?
Malo soifua manuia.
Ilau teo whaatupu, teo whaatumali'i. Sao whalei chihu.
Tomorrow night, I've asked Raymond and Almakangi and Kamali and the team here to ask the last class to come, and we're going to split you guys off into your groups, and for an hour they're going to mentor you to be able to jam it and jam it and jam it and jam it. For the sewer, we'll go behind here where the Polyfest group are practicing. Okay. Okay, if you guys can just go in that summer area over there. Sulakomas will be just outside here, outside this room. Whawharoinga will be behind this building. Okay, is that all the ones covered? Whara mea ai, the seats over there, and Paio Samoa, basketball. Where the basketball areas, okay? And then the three other ones, you guys stand here for mole. Waikamba swali ie, Waikamba swali ie, Waikamba swali ie. Makwakele times 3 for Kanka for Kakalolo. And then from there, national anthem. After the national anthem, kakalo. After the kakalo, you sit down for Whareima, for our ceremony, then that's done. So what do you guys say? Manguia. So if he says Manguia, so Manguia, put your hands together for our two loud ones, please. Samoa ese itapu ai mai, o te ta'alo mosota.
Vave, yeah, Upulano, you lie down beside her, yeah, and then the next year comes, does that make Solomon Solomon.
For all my tour, my one, so more my name, my name, my
The reason why I speak first, before you guys start your live session, is to appeal to the audience, especially your parents, that this is a 101 class, and that I basically say to them, if I offer you cool waters. If they should speak out of turn, if they should get a word wrong or a pronunciation wrong, please, we ask you to support them. So in the end, that people are very appreciative. The fact that you're making it there tomorrow and gonna bother to turn up tomorrow is a massive thing. You've already won the battle. But enjoy it too. If you fear, encourage them to enjoy the moment with you as well. Okay?
Look how far you guys have come in 6 days.
Ya, salo lela makal ka ko famu moi.
Start.
Ora aka ko anga sa o al mafu angal men ka kupu mai ai. Le pangal wingal ka ko.
Where we came from.
Le masang ka ko wa papalang. Ya ola wa ka ko sa. Masang ya ka ko asu.
Samoa is used to the smoke.
Ka ko asu ka ko nga Samoa. Asu ka ko nga ya fufu ka ko mau.
Sweet.
Lea wai sila maka ile amakanga na mea nga maka mai ka ko ku ASAMOA. Ile pa ngofia. Ole ala ko ile ku wa mai ngi. Esa ili se mangu ya wala o ko
Find a better future for you.
ai ole mea la vai ASAMOA. E alua ma avela ngangu.
Wherever you as a Samoan.
Ele ma fainga ku la ngangu ASAMOA.
You can't leave it in Samoa.
Ai Samoa ngai.
Come to me.
Wai kene fa longo Samoa o ai palang ngai.
Never heard of Samoa.
Le mea la vai ASAMOa. E alu la ma avisia ngangu fa pele.
Steady hopping out the two-door, too-low lover who's so straighten in the crease, wipe the dirt off all my culo. Holler at a diva while I'm banging Epiphany. Pimping on the low, trying to take it to the Siva. Sipping on Lima, stepping in the house of blaze. Saluting all the villains, roll the V out with the wave. Raise up your bottles, cheers to the times. I'm some Pelu gang.
Yeah, me po Samoa. Yeah, usi maya na fa fomo na mai boa. Ole ala se me o la tona faya le po ya tato na libia fantastic. Ole la tona ulanga fo le luma de sua. Ya ya se na lato to fa wa ben le Vasega. Ya va o tai mine o ta pati mai pe misio ala fa na. If you ofi mai le Vasega. Ya au me uma na va. Ya ma toti fa pe ati ya me tsua. Oi to tasi ono ina oi to foi na te fana na ina to lepo ya usina mai momo la fa foma fa tai
Vasega, o vai por essa semana agora. O lima makulu. Se foi na calca, se liga na chuva. O cão vai le vai por feca ya no so ka to kaiau.
Le mama pule usunga ya tumuma pule.
Fio mai tupu matamali.
Fale tua. Tsausi. Le paia
Mami, olha essa toma ftama. Ole aso whaangangana ina ai mā kou lea kua soifu.
Sky.
Ole aso ngā whaangangana ina ai mā kou lea kua soifu. A wād kau kou hinga o Samoa. Awa le ko lolo e kua kōpre sole le kua e kula kua. Nami mamare ko wapi waku le kama. Ma ia mangu wia Vasega ngai.
Because when you stand here, not only are you representing this group, but you're carrying your ancestors with you, you're carrying your parents, you're carrying your family with you.
So there are no Vasegas like this in Samoa where you can go and learn. There's nothing like this. You just have to turn up on the day at the Matai's house and learn and do it right there and then. So please make the most of this Vasega by doing your bit of it, and you will be doing it for all those family members of yours that never ever got the chance to do this.
We're not trying to develop the best orators. Hey, that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to develop servant leaders for the Mole.
Because that's what they dreamed of. That's what Tupua dreamed of. Untitled Samoa. Tali ilani soto the heavens, the gods will provide.
Our time is now, guys. Our time is now. Our time is now. Our time is now. Our time is now. Our time is now.
Oh, and I'm happy with the Salapu. Or everything, I'm not excited.
When you stop the food, they say, what?
Malanga wole, this is your best friend. Malanga wole, momoe mayala maya kayao.
Wake up with it.
Malanga kamalia. Ya walang kaukua. Malanga wo fa maung ida. Ya penga kuila leli ida. Le la usangi. Apo felanga wo.
Feeling strange without having his own life. Manguya kele la ko mawai di Australia. Dia ka fa mo kayao. Ya lo fale ko fa la mai o au mo ko ya basta kai ko ma ko dai fa kali mai fa mo le ba no